Hey everyone, it's Rhino415. If you've been following my channel, you know I picked up two jerseys in the past month. The 49ers Rivalries jersey, as well as the San Jose Sharks Heritage 2.0 jersey. And I was looking for hats to match with the jerseys, and I decided to order some from Resid3ncy. It's a company online, they sell hats. I own two hats, and I just wanted to show the new hats I picked up and show how they match up with the jerseys. So I'll take the hats out of the box and then I'll show them off. All right, so here are the hats. I think they look pretty nice. I own these two, like I said, and I just picked up these three. I heard about the company just looking online. I saw a lot of 49ers players wearing them starting a couple of years ago. And so I just kind of was browsing the website. And again, I think that these new ones I picked up are going to match these jerseys pretty well. So I'll start on this side with the two I already have. This one's called the Mission. It's a red hat with the white script, and it's a snapback. I think this matches well with the 49ers home jersey. I'll show that. This one's called the City, blue hat with the yellow script, snapback. And I think this matches well with the Golden State Warriors Icon Edition jersey. This is a new one. This is the Candlestick. It's tan with the red script. I'm going to be wearing this one with the new Rivalries jersey. This one's actually Velcro back. This one's the Market here. Black hat with white script. Snapback. I'll probably wear this one casually. I feel like this could match with a lot of things, and I think it'll match well with the Valkyries jersey. And then this one here, this one's actually San Jose. So it's a white hat with a black brim and a teal script. And it's a snapback on the back. This one's called the San Carlos. And I think this will match well with the new Heritage jersey they released. So let me bring out the jerseys just to see, how the hats look with the jerseys. Here are the hats with the jerseys. I think this setup actually looks pretty cool. So I just wanted to go over each one. Like I was saying, this Mission hat here matches well with the 49ers home jersey. The City matches pretty well with the Warriors Icon Edition jersey. This is the new Candlestick I picked up, and I like how it goes with the Rivalry jersey because it has the gold accents here. So I really think that that's a nice fit. The Market here matches with the Valkyries jersey, black and white. And then I think the San Carlos is going to look good with the new Heritage jersey that the Sharks released. So I'm excited. The Niners are playing right now. The Warriors and the Sharks are in the preseason. And then, the Valkyries are in the off season. So it's just nice to have some hats to match the jerseys. And I'm excited for the upcoming season. So if you liked the video, please comment and let me know your thoughts. And please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.